Journey begins at modern noodle factory. Raw ingredients destined to become pale cream yellow noodle strands. Premium wheat flour arrives at factory, coming noodle base. Inspector verifies flour quality. Protein content crucial for smooth noodle texture.
Climate-controlled silos protect flour quality. Premium ingredients stored for noodle production.
Precise weighing ensures consistent batches. Exact flour amount for perfect noodles. Flour flues to mixing equipment. Pale powder advancing to become noodle dough.
Industrial mixers prepare noodle dough. Clean room ensuring food safety standards.
Purified water added precisely. Hydration transforming pale flour into dough.
Salt solution strengthens gluten network. Essential for smooth, elastic noodles.
Powerful mixing combines ingredients. Pale dough forming with smooth consistency. Dough shows pale cream yellow color. Smooth, elastic texture developing. Mixing complete, creating uniform dough. Pale cream color consistent throughout. Dough transfers to resting chamber. Pale cream mass relaxing before rolling. Climate chamber allows gluten relaxation. Perfect conditions for pale dough maturation.
Rested dough shows relaxed structure. Pale cream surface smooth and elastic.
Dough portioned for rolling equipment. Pale cream pieces sized for processing. Industrial rollers prepare to flatten dough. Multiple stages creating thin noodle sheets. First rollers flatten pale dough. Compression beginning sheet formation. Flattened sheet emerges from rollers. Pale cream color uniform throughout. Multiple rolling stages thin pale sheet progressively. Each pass refining thickness. Final rolling achieves precise thickness. Pale cream sheet ready for cutting. Finished sheet shows perfect pale cream color. Smooth, elastic surface ready for cutting. Cutting blades prepare to form noodles. Precise spacing, creating uniform strands. Sharp blades cut pale sheet into noodles. Uniform cream yellow strands forming.
Fresh noodles emerge in long strands. Pale cream yellow with smooth texture.
Automated portioning creates consistent servings. Pale noodle strands precisely divided.
Portioned noodles form neat nests. Pale cream strads coiled smoothly.
Fresh noodle portions arranged on steaming trays. Pale nests positioned for cooking.
Industrial steamer prepares to cook noodles. Controlled heat setting pale strands.
Steam heat cooks fresh noodles. Pale strands firming through controlled steaming.
Steaming preserves pale cream color. Noodles achieving perfect texture.
Steaming complete with perfect pale color. Smooth, elastic noodles achieved.
Steamed noodles show pale cream color. Smooth, elastic strands perfectly cooked.
Cooling fans reduce noodle temperature. Pale strands cooling for handling.
Systematic cooling prepares noodles for packaging. Pale portions cooling uniformly. Cooled noodles ready for packaging. Pale cream color and smooth texture preserved.
Inspectors verify noodle quality. Pale color and texture confirmed perfect. Quality approved noodles advance to packaging.
Pale cream portions ready for containers.
Clear packages prepared for noodles. Transparent containers displaying pale strands.
Noodle portions placed in clear packages. Pale cream strands entering containers.
Packaging line operates at speed. Multiple pale noodle portions being contained.
Filled package displays pale noodles beautifully. Cream yellow strands visible through clear plastic.
Heat sealing protects noodle freshness. Hermetic closure preserving pale portions.
Sealed packages protect fresh noodles. Pale strands visible through transparent containers.
Labels applied to noodle packages. Product information completing presentation.
Labeled packages display pale noodles attractively. Cream yellow strands visible through clear plastic.
Inspectors verify package quality. Pale noodles checked through clear packaging.
Quality approved packages ready for cases. Pale noodles packaged individually. Shipping cases prepared for noodle packages. Secondary packaging protecting containers. Case sealed protecting pale noodles. Secure closure for shipping.
Labels identify noodle contents. Distribution information applied.
Labeled cases ready for palletizing. Pale noodles staged for bulk packaging.
Pallets prepared for noodle cases. Foundation for bulk packaging.
Robotic stacking creates stable loads. Noodle cases arranged precisely. Layer building creates stable pallet. Pale noodle cases stacked optimally.
Completed pallet reaches shipping height. Pale noodle cases perfectly stacked.
Wrapper secures noodle pallet. Film protection beginning. Spiral wrapping unifies noodle load. Transparent security. Labeled pallet identifies noodle contents. Ready for storage. Forklift transports noodle pallet. Movement to warehouse.
Smooth lift raises noodle pallet. Professional handling protecting product.
Internal logistics moving noodles to warehouse. Systematic transport.
Climate-controlled warehouse protects noodles. Professional storage facility.
Climate monitoring maintains storage conditions.
Noodle quality protected.
Digital systems track noodle inventory. Real-time management.
System directs noodle pallet to location. Organized navigation.
Noodle pallet positioned systematically. Strategic warehouse storage.
Pale noodles protected in climate storage. Inventory secured.
Organized warehouse stores noodle inventory. Multiple pallets secured.
Final inspection before noodle departure. Quality protecting brand.
Inspector confirms noodle quality. Pale cream strands visible through packaging.
Security monitors noodle inventory. Electronic protection continuous.
Quality metrics confirm noodle excellence. Standards exceeded consistently.
Array of noodle packages showcasing quality. Pale cream color consistent throughout. Fresh noodles show perfect texture. Smooth, elastic, pale cream strands achieved.
Consumer-ready presentation showcases noodles. Pale strands visible through clear packaging. Complete forms flour to noodles. Integrated production excellence.
Quality Seal certifies noodle premium status. Excellence officially marked.
Sustainable practices in noodle production. Environmental responsibility maintained. Team excellence creates premium noodles. Pride in quality production.
Innovation advances noodle quality. Technology improving excellence. Heritage methods honor noodle tradition. Legacy in pasta production. Awards recognize noodle quality. Excellence officially acknowledged. Certifications confirm noodle standards. Compliance officially documented. Complete operation from flour journey successful.
Perfect noodles in premium package. Pale strands showing quality excellence.
Journey complete from wheat flour. Manufacturing excellence achieved. Fresh noodles arranged, displaying quality. Smooth, elastic, pale cream strands perfected.
Warehouse at capacity with noodles. Efficient storage maximizing space. Nutritional value of fresh noodles. Health benefits naturally present. Cooking instructions guide perfect preparation. Simple methods for delicious noodles.